Good morning, student. Today we discuss theorem. So, statement of theorem is theorem statement is consider the equation y dash plus ay is equal to 0 where a is complex constant. A is complex constant if C is any complex number, the function phi defined by phi of x is equal to c into e raised to minus ax is a solution of this equation and moreover every solution has this form. So theorem is consider the equation y dash plus ay is equal to 0 where a is a complex constant. If c is any complex number, that is c is in the form of a plus ib, the function phi defined by phi of x is equal to c into e raised to minus ax is a solution of this given equation and moreover every solution has this form. So take a proof. Given conditions are, write down the given condition first. First is the consider the equation. Given equation is consider the equation is y dash plus ay is equal to 0. Noted this as a equation number 1 where this a is complex constant. A is complex constant and let we have given that phi of x be the solution of equation 1. If phi of x is solution of equation 1, then phi of x satisfies the equation 1. Next, our claim is, that is we have to show that phi of x is equal to c into e raised to minus ax where c is complex number, that is in the form of a plus ib, complex number. Then we have to given that as phi of x is solution of equation number 1, then if phi of x is solution of this equation, then phi of x satisfies the condition of equation 1, that is phi of x satisfies the equation. So it satisfies equation 1, that is phi dash of x is equal to phi dash of x plus a into phi of x is equal to 0, equation 2. Now in next step, multiply e raised to ax on both the side. Then on multiplying e raised to ax on both side. Then we get e raised to ax in bracket phi dash of x plus a into phi of x bracket complete is equal to 0 into e raised to ax, which is equal to multiply this e raised to ax in bracket e raised to ax into phi dash of x plus a into e raised to ax phi of x, which is equal to 0 into e raised to ax is 0. Then we know that derivative of u into v is equal to what? U is as it is, and derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So this is multiplication rule of derivative. Then use this rule in this step. So we get e raised to ax into phi of x bracket derivative is equal to 0. That is, we take derivative of e raised to ax into phi of x, then we get this condition. So in next step, on integrating both side, we get integration of e raised to ax phi of x bracket derivative dx is equal to integration of 0 dx, which is equal to integration of integration and derivative get cancelled. That is, integration is inverse of derivative. So we get e raised to ax into phi of x is equal to c, that is constant of integration. Then in next step, phi of x is equal to, so divide throughout e raised to ax in both sides, we get c upon e raised to ax, which is equal to phi of x is equal to c into e raised to minus ax. Next, and we have taken that phi of x is solution of equation 1 so every solution of equation 1 must be of the form phi of x is equal to c into e raised to minus x. That is, here phi of x is solution of this given equation, then it can be in the form of phi of x is equal to c into e raised to minus a of x.